Hello amazing people. In today's video, I will show you how I rebatch my soda soap and transform a failed or imperfect soap batch into a clean, beautiful, foaming and profitable soap using cold process without double boiling or cooked. Soap making is not just a skill, it's a smart business that turns mistake into money. Stick around to the end. I will share a secret tips to avoid while making soap next time. Welcome back. So what is rebatching? Rebatching simply means melting down and remolding your soap when something goes wrong. Maybe it's too soft, crack, or the not foam well. Instead of wasting it, you fix it, improve it and sell it. This is a powerful method to save money and increase your profit margin. So let me quickly show you how I rebatch my soda soap using cold process. Firstly, I use my grater, shredded the face soap and I set it aside. Next is my bleach palm oil. My bleach palm oil 500 grams. BPO, I bleach it with chemical 500 grams. Followed by my lye solution. Lye solution, I use 350 grams. And I added my lye solution into my BPO and I start stirring it. I continue stirring it until the lye solution and the bleach palm oil mix together without separation. Remember, bleach palm oil is the best oil for making soda soap. And when you are working with bleach palm oil, you need to be fast because bleach palm oil trays on time. It trays in no times. So you have to stir it and at the same time be fast in stirring it. And the next I'm adding is my soda ash. Soda ash, I add 150 ml. And as I added my soda ash, I continue stirring it. Soda ash in soda soap makes the soap harder and last longer. It also acts as a cheap filler to boost profit. It improves cleaning power, especially in hard water. It supports the saponification process, give the soap a smooth texture, natural, safe, and easy to find. You can see how it makes the batters look so smooth and beautiful. So you continue stirring it before we add the next ingredient. And the next ingredient we'll be adding is the shredded soap. So the shredded soap, we measure 200 out of the shredded soap, 200 grams. You can use up to 250 grams, but I choose to use 200 grams. Then the 200 grams, I added half of it and I continue stirring it. So you will stir it gently to mix it together. Then I added the second part of it. And as I added it, I continue stirring it. So I make sure I stir it together very well. You need to be fast with it. Continue stirring it until everything mixes together very well. So after stirring it, then you already prepare your mold. Then you pour your soap into the mold. But something happened here. I remember that I have a carton of wine. An empty carton of wine. So, and I brought it out to replace the plastic mold that I wanted to use initially. So when I paused my video, I did not remember to press the play before I continue with my production. So I used the carton of wine to make it. That is why you see the round shape coming out like this. After I pour it into my mold, I make sure I tap the carton on top of the surface very, very well. I tap it well in order not to have any space in between. So after tapping it, I allow the soap to set for 24 hours. So 24 hours later, I brought the carton out and I used my table knife to cut it. I use it to cut it so that it will come out neat, because it's so difficult to remove from the carton. There's no way I can unmold it easily. So I have to use my knife to cut it in order to have a fine and beautiful outcome, just the way you see it here. Now let's test the foaming ability. There's no need of adding any foaming booster to this soap. So just because we have already added soap to another soap. So remember, we shredded the soap before adding it into another fresh soap that we just made. So there is no need of adding foaming booster. As you can see, it lathers very, very well. In fact, beyond my imagination, it's strong, it's beautiful, and it lathers well. So I hope you have learned something in today's tutorial. If so, give this video a thumb up, comment, and share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will get notified when we drop another amazing tutorial like this. Thank you to all my return subscribers. See you in the next video. Bye.